Hi guys, we are the LIV Real Estate Group, and this is Shane Kidwell with the Kidwell team at Fairway. And we want to share with you what we do for our clients. And this, what you're going to see here, is a little bit how we treat our clients.
I would 110% recommend them to everybody I know. They go above and beyond. I've been on the market for 3 days. I've had over 50 people at my home, and I have multiple offers. I couldn't be happier.
I think it's awesome, it's outstanding, right? We need to care about our customers, and when we feel that the company is spending time to appreciate us and the fact that they did business with us, it's amazing. I really recommend you guys to make your business with them.
I love LIV Real Estate Group because Liddy and Isabel are the most enthusiastic real estate agents I've ever met. And if anyone is looking to buy or sell a home, I highly suggest you work with these incredible women. You will not regret it.
We love them as a family, we treat them as a family, and we are very pleased to have everybody around us as much as we can. So if you want to have a realtor for life, come talk to us. We will be happy to help you. Okay? Bye guys.
Bye guys.